this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find some reviews on reviews and that are given by guests. Its review rating is 6.0, which is the reason. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior